It's just us bringing you along for a little bit of playtime, really. Yeah, just trying something new, really, a different format. So we've got live videos and we've got edited videos, and I just thought, oh, let's have a go at something different, because I'd be sat here anyway, just playing, really, stretching over for these papers I made on the video. So I've got some painty paper, and that's the crayon resist paper. And you know me, I love making envelopes. So I'm just going to go around here. Fred's fast asleep. We've been out for our walk already today. Yeah, someone said, oh, they wished I did more content. And I was thinking, how can I do that? And I thought, doing this style of video where I don't edit much, I just bring you along. You'll often find me here making envelopes. Sewing postcards. Oh, Freddie, look, can you see him? He's tired out. He was with his little friend Molly this morning. Ooh, pop the foot down. It's real time as well, isn't it, when it's not edited? Ah, still able to take a nice breath and enjoy this time with you. Little Seraphina helping me today. Sort of machine is she? She is a singer. Oh, I can't. Let me just put that up. Can I get that? She's a Singer 99K. When I was looking that up, when I was getting Auntie Jennifer's machine, the K means made in Scotland. So I've got the envelope here. Oh, lovely. So that's that bit. That's the bit that I'll stick down. Oh, lovely. I'm going to just come in and put this together. Oh, pop the foot down. Oh, every time. Relax or create along with me. Putting my little ender leader piece of fabric in there. Oh, and that leader ender is a little heart. Oh, it's lovely when I do different shapes. It's lovely when all the stitches are on. I put those on my slow stitching, and I've made a little envelope with a little lining, and I've got twinches. What are twinches, you ask me? Well, they're little 2" by 2" little art pieces. This one says, "Find your wings," and it's a little owl. in. And this one is a slow stitch twinchy. It's got a little heart and some gold. And a little Peter Rabbit and one of the Queen's Guards. Or King's Guards, you'd say now. So I'll pop that in the envelope. Great, that's getting there. What else have I got? Oh, I sat yesterday and I did this slow stitching. Got little Snoopy and literally some hearts and just some scraps of fabric and some gold and, oh yes, nothing technical. I've got some wadding and let's get some cardboard and I'm going to sew that round onto there and that will go in the post. Oh, I love making up my happy mail. I'm playing post offices this morning. And I need to lift the foot up over here, pop that needle down and go round. The comforting sounds of Seraphina. Oh, do you know, if you haven't got a sewing machine, oh, don't worry, because you can glue these. You don't need a sewing machine to do anything that I've done today. To make the envelopes. And even if you've got a sewing machine, you might not feel like getting your sewing machine out. I'm going to use the scissors that aren't fabric scissors because I've got paper here as well. I'm going to cut around this with a postcard. And if they're not too bumpy, they can go through the post just like that. Or you can put them in a plastic sleeve. There we are. Oh, it's wonky, but it's made with love. I might put like a little stitch, a line going down. Let's do that. There we are. I think this one will make a nice roof for a house, a little slow stitch house. I'll just use all the little squips and scraps for that leader ender. There we are. All ready to make into a postcard. Another bit of mail there. I love packaging. I've got my Moon Pie junk journal here, so Asda Caster Sugar, but it's got a gorgeous Victoria sandwich on the front. So I thought, keep that yellow, keep that yellow. Let's cut that down. These aren't my fabric scissors. Cut that down and make a tag. While I've got the sewing machine out, get some more of that coffee dye paper and sew round this. Here we are. Oh, it's lovely. I just love pottering like this. Caster Sugar, and it's got that on the back ready for my junk journal. Let's go and find some ribbon, shall we? Let's turn you round so you can see. Where are we? What can you see? There we are, over there. That's it, over there. You can see Freddie's food in the green tub there. I'm going to go over here. I've got on this shelf lots of ribbons. I'm going to choose out of here. Turn you round again. That's it. This is just a big experiment, really. It's fun. It's fun to do new things, to find new ways to connect. Oh, lovely. I want something to go with that yellow or the red strawberries. Pottery made by Beth in here. So, let me see. Lace, beautiful lace. Oh, it's on the top. Handmade, beautiful lace from... Oh, do you know that your name? Oh, it's from Little Dog Coco. Ah, the name will come to me in a minute. Your name will come to me in a minute. But most importantly, it's from Coco, the little dog. What am I like? Oh, thank you. Gosh. I'm going to double that up. Let's put you close up. Yeah. When I hang the phone up here, your name will come to me. Most importantly, I'm thanking Coco for my parcel. Oh, there we are. And such grand. This is the lacy tablecloth, or doily maybe, for the afternoon tea. Oh, I love that. There we are. Let's go over that again. Oh, lovely. There we are. Oh, I love that. Oh, let's take this over to the desk and find a little stamp for it, shall we? Here we are. Let's open up the desk. Oh, that's the little key falling out. It's a dear little key. Isn't it gorgeous? Here we are. Pull my chair across. There. Which side does the address go on? Oh, this side. So I'm going to do like a little postcardy thing here. lovely to put a little heart. Got a little stamp somewhere. Here we are. Pop a little stamp on. I think I will use one of those plastic envelopes. Let me show you. Hold on. Getting dizzy. Let me show you the Happy Mail basket. This Mo's in charge. He gets so busy. Yeah, here's one of the little postcard envelopes. It just protects them. And then I'll pop that one inside there once I've written it. Yeah. And you seal that up. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, I love that. Shall we just light a little candle? I think that would be lovely. Let's turn you around. A little bit of quiet in a busy, stressful world. What came through the post? Isn't it gorgeous? It's a heart of love from Lisa Jane. Oh, wonderful. I'm going to hang it over. Can you see the fireplace over there? Let's hang it over there, shall we? That's it. Find a space. Would you like a little biscuit, Freddie? Where are we? Oh. Go. Oh, you didn't expect that, did you? This is different, isn't it, Fred? Ah, dear. Well done, darling. Take good care, everyone. Bye from Freddie and me.